Here is a very useful macro. I've always wanted the ability in Excel to rearrange rows like this. Select any row, actually a cell. You don't need to select a row. Click anywhere in the desired row and click on move row down or up. This works only inside Excel tables and multi-select is not allowed. If you do select multiple items, notice that the active cell is still April, so it's going to work on the active row. To install this, go to the URL given in the link in description. If you just want the add-in, download the Excel AM file. If you want to look at and modify the source code, download the XLSM file. As soon as you download the file, go to File Explorer, right-click on it, Properties, and unblock the file. Now to install this add-in, go to File, Options, Add-ins. At the bottom, click on the Go button, Browse, and select this file. Now you will see Efficiency 365 tab with extra buttons for moving rows up and down. Because this is a very useful feature, we can add it to Quick Access toolbar. Right click on the button, say Add to Quick Access. Again, right click on this one, Add to Quick Access. You will get a shortcut like Alt and a number. Now in this case, it's getting 9 and 09. You want to rearrange them. Right click on this, Customize Quick Access toolbar. And now these two, you'll have to move up one by one. Here, multi-select is not allowed. And now this is move up, this is move down. And we have Alt 6 and Alt 7 as the shortcuts. Add-in gives you many other features, and I have separate videos to explain all of them. So try it out. Let me know if you like it. Let YouTube know you like it and share it with everyone. That's it for now. See you soon. Thank you.